Hi, ma'am. So I have here the three outputs, which is the letter from my father, the letter from my mother, and the lastly is the letter from my loved ones. First, I want to read is for letter for my mother. Dear Mama, I just want to say thank you for everything. You are my strength, my comfort, and my forever hero. Bisan gikapoy ka, you never stop caring for us. I see all your sacrifices, Ma, and I'm so grateful for your love. You taught me how to be strong, kind, and patient. Wala ko laing gusto kundi mahimong pareha nimo. You're the best mother anyone could ever have. I love you so much, Ma. Always take care. You'll forever be my greatest blessings. Love, Joylyn May Gukotano. Next is for my father. Dear Papa, thank you for everything you've done for me and for our family. You may not always see it in words, but I can feel your love through your hard work and sacrifices. Kabalo ko nga tanan nimo gibuhat para sa among kaayuhan. Papa, you are my protector, my guide, and my inspiration. Tungod nimo nakat-on ko nga magpuyo nga lig-on og responsable. I am so proud to be your child. Bisan usahay dili ta magkasinabot ug dili ko kasulti nimo og thank you. Please know that I appreciate you so much. I love you pa. You'll always be my hero. Love, Jaylin May Gukotano. Lastly is letter for my loved ones. My dearest love, every single day I wake up thinking of you, and every night before I sleep, ikaw gihapon ang naa sa akong hunahuna. You become a part of my moment, my happiness, my peace, and my inspiration. When I see your smile, it feels like the world stops for a while and everything suddenly makes sense. From the day we met, I know there was something special about you. Your kindness, your laughter, and the way you care for others, it all captured my heart. Dili na ako ma-explain pero every time I'm with you, I feel safe, contented, and loved in a way I never felt before. Life isn't always easy, and I know there will be challenges along the way. Pero bisan pa man, I promise to stay by your side through every ups and downs. I will hold your hands when you're tired, listen to you when you need someone to talk to, and love you even more when things get hard. Kay para nako, love is not just about the happy moments, but also about staying strong together through everything. Ikaw ang akong kalipay ug akong peace. You've taught me what that love true means, not just through words, but through actions and care. Thank you for loving me despite my imperfections, for understanding myself, and for showing me what it means to be truly loved. No matter how life takes us, please remember this. My heart always belongs to you. Walay laing makapulis sa imong lugar. You are my home, my forever, and the one I always be grateful for. I love you endlessly, today, tomorrow, and for all the days to come. Forever yours, Jelly May Gugotano. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.